On May 22nd, we got our first sneak peek of the new Lexus LBX. The folks at Kolesa have used these sneak peeks to come up with detailed pictures that give us an idea of what the whole car might look like. The car will be fully unveiled on June 5th at a special event in Milan, Italy. The pictures from Kolesa look a lot like the official sneak peeks. The LBX has thin headlights and a metal strip that goes across the top part of the front of the car. Kolesa pictures the car with a big square-like grille. At the back, the car has long taillights that go all the way across with a wavy design. In these pictures, there's also a small wing on the top of the car. Lexus hasn't shared a lot about the LBX yet. What we do know is that it will be similar to the Yaris Cross, but with a fancier inside. It will be a less expensive option than the current Lexus UX, making it the new starting point for the Lexus brand. The LBX is said to be built on the tnga-b platform. If it uses the same engines as the Yaris Cross, buyers might have a choice between a hybrid 1.5-liter engine with 114 horsepower and a regular 1.5-liter engine with 123 horsepower that powers the front wheels. For now, it looks like the LBX will not be sold in the United States.